Peace be to you, my audience. I just wanted to make some explanations. This is my illustration of the kingdom of heaven. I don't know if you can see it. But okay, I only drew 2 layers on this side, but it has 7 layers. That's what it looks like when you look from the top down. Okay, inside in the center there is a pyramid. The pyramid opens up. It's 8-sided. When it opens up, it looks like a flower. There is a minaret, and then in the minaret there's a throne, and God sits on the throne, or the Amen, according to Revelation 3:14. He keeps on. I keep on going there. I've been there 4 times in real life. I've been there more than like 100 times in my dreams, or remembering what I happened in real life. So I just wanted to describe what heaven looks like and why it looks like what it looks like. Here's the top-down view. These are trees. Okay, in the middle of the tree is actually a giant flower. Everybody gets a tree. Now, that is the tree of life. It's about 150 miles tall. It's very big. That's the fountain of the water of life. Muslims call it the Al-Kawthar, and this is Sidrat al-Muntaha. Muslims call the heavenly spaceship, they call it Baytul Ma'mur. Christians call it the New Jerusalem or the Kingdom of Heaven. But it's like this, and it has buildings, it has a city. The city is in the form of a beehive. All of the buildings are hexagonal. But nothing in heaven is artificial. Everything is natural. These buildings are actually kind of like funguses. They grow on their own. And the pyramid contains the throne of God. It's closed all the time. I mean, most of the time we will see God every Sabbath. We will see God and He will give us a sermon every Sabbath. But the sermon will be like a disco. It's gonna be like He shines lights of different colors and He rapidly changes the colors. So these are the different gardens. These are rivers. These lines are rivers. Okay, when God creates the world, when He destroys it, after He destroys it, He recreates it. And most people don't understand that. When you read the book of Revelation and then you quickly read the book of Genesis, you'll understand it. That God, when He created the earth in 6 days, He came down in His spaceship, and out of the seeds of the heavenly trees, He planted it onto the earth, and the animals spread out onto the earth, and they started to reproduce, and that's how animals and plants were created from inside of heaven. They came out into the earth, and God created Adam and Eve inside of heaven and brought them out into the earth, into the Garden of Eden that He planted. So that's exactly, it's literally in 6 days. He put a glass dome above the Garden of Eden to contain the atmosphere, because the rest of the world was uninhabitable. When the rest of the earth became habitable, God removed the glass dome, and then He allowed Adam and Eve to spread out, because life was only created in the Garden of Eden. So Adam and Eve helped life to spread outside. They helped colonize life outside the Garden of Eden. So that's why they were expelled. So some people interpret the story as a punishment. I mean, for some people, that's what it says. But if you read it in Hebrew, it has a different connotation. So in the Christian system of mathematics, they have a base 10 system, which is incorrect. All ancient people had a base 12 system. There's 12 months in a year, 12 eggs in a dozen, 12 inches in a foot, 12 months in a year, and so on and so forth, 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, and so on. So Christians incorrectly calculate things. You can't divide 10 by 3. So the thing is also in Christianity, tomatoes, okra, and eggplants are considered